Wire power brushes rotate at high speeds to clean metal without damaging it. These industrial tools can scrub off almost anything, including weld splatter, rust, and paint. They can also smooth away sharp edges and protrusions known as burrs. Wire power brushes come in many different shapes and sizes. The bristles are either knotted or crimped. There's a wire power brush for every metal cleaning job. Automated tools work with pinpoint accuracy to create a wire brush with knotted bristles. A tool inserts 22 wires into each hole of the steel disc. The wires are made of high-carbon steel. Another tool twists the wire bundle into a knot. It makes a special knot designed for maximum strength and durability. The system installs 48 knotted wire bundles in each brush. An employee transfers the brush to a machine with circular blades. The blades trim the wires down and sharpen the ends. The next worker sandwiches the brush's center disc between two larger discs. A press welder creates 3 dimples in the metal. These dimples tightly hold the brush structure in place. A press drives a large nut into the center hole. It will be used to securely attach the wire brush to a power tool. This completes the knotted wire power brush assembly. Next, they make the crimped wire brush. First, a device feeds steel wire to a cutting machine in preset increments. The machine's cutting wheels slice the wires to the correct length. It deposits the wire bundles on a rack, and a worker collects them. Then, another worker threads a long wire between 2 metal flanges in a winding machine. She lines up the pins around the flanges. Then she tucks freshly cut wire bundles into those slots. She continues until she stacks the wire bundles all the way around the flanges. Then she starts the machine. It winds the long wire around the shorter wire bundles. This crimps the short wires at the center and holds them in place between the flanges. She pulls the end of the wire to the side of the brush segment. Then it's ready for the next operation. A 100-ton press bends the flanges over the crimped bristles, encasing the longer wire that holds them together. Next, a worker spins the ends of the brush between 2 circular blades. This is a preliminary trimming. Then a punch enlarges the diameter of the center hole. Next, they combine several of the crimped brush segments together. An employee piles up the segments. He places a tube in the center and spacers in between the brushes. Once the brush reaches the right size, he uses a compression tool to curl the tube's top rim against the flange. This secures the segments, creating one large crimped wire brush. Then he trims the wire bristles to the correct length. When attached to a power tool, knotted bristle wire brushes can spin up to 25,000 rotations per minute. The brush's high speed allows it to efficiently scrub dirt and grease from an oil well drill pipe. The crimped wire brush is designed for lighter work, like scrubbing rust off a metal pipe. These power brushes are bristling with cleaning potential and ready for work.